Now let's understand the definition which we gave in terms of the graph which we have drawn. That means we are trying to correlate the mathematical definition to the graphical definition. Now if you recollect, what are the definition terms we took? Limit extends to a minus f of x. That means the left hand limit should exist, right? So in graph, at the point A, at this point, there should be a left hand limit, right? The function's value as it comes to A should have a left hand value. Let us say this is your left hand limit, which is a finite number, right? Not only this condition, what is the next condition which we require? We also must have limit extends to a plus f of x should also exist. That is, our right hand limit should exist, isn't it? So what does it mean? From the right hand side of a also, that is to a value which is more than a, this graph should approach the same value. That means the same point should also act to you like LR. The left hand limit should be at the same point as well as the right hand limit should be at the same point. These two must be equal. Then we said this LL value and LR value is the limiting value of the function. Now, left hand side approachable value, the right hand side approachable value both exist and they both are equal. Is it enough? Maybe the function is defined somewhere here, but what should be the third condition? The third condition says f of a must also exist. Now, where should be this f of a? F of a, can it be here? No, because you have this f of a value must be equal to the limit value. That is, if you write it in short, limit extends to a f of x, that is the equal value of these two must also be equal to f of a value. So where is the possibility of f of a? That point f of a must be here only. Now see, when I wanted to draw the graph from left side of a to right hand side of a, I need three conditions to exist. One is drawing the graph from the left side. Two is ability to draw the graph from the right side. And three is these two must be equal. That means from the left hand side and from the right hand side, the graph should come to the same point. This is your L limit. Now, what is our most important fourth point? This value L must be equal to your f of a. That means the gap in between the left side approach to the right side approach must be filled by f of a. So what happened? While drawing the graph from left side at a and to the right of a, all three places, to the left of a, to the right of a, and at a, I am able to draw the same value. Then the graph becomes a continuous graph. That's what is our definition says. If you look at the definition, what does it says to us? F of a should exist, limit extends to a should exist, and limit extends to a f of x, the limit must be equal to f of a, right?